And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Whoa. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, what's going on? Here we are again. Not many people in the chat box maybe yet. We got 50 viewers. YouTube's giving me a message. I don't have smooth streaming, so I don't think that's on my end. So let's see if that's going to be a problem, Nick. I'm getting a message from YouTube. So let's see what happens here. What's up, guys? A little weakness here. Not cool. Bitcoin 33,950, just fell 400 in a couple seconds here. Let's go to the 5 minute. What's up, Dirk? Give you a wrench. Okay, there's the 5 minute in front of us. Some shitty action after the overnight surge on Elon Musk. If anyone remembers, I was looking for 38,000. Yeah, Junkie, I am getting error message from YouTube. I don't know how to fix that. I had started my computer. Shouldn't be a problem. What's up, Anna? I was having a better day a few hours ago. Hopefully the audio. Let me check one thing here real quick. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. 33,954. Let's hope that the video stays halfway decent here. Yeah, I was looking for 38,000. If anyone remembers, I think I said 38,000, 38.5. We got that exactly. I did not sell because I felt like that. I thought Musk's tweet would keep us up there a little bit. So, and you could be right, Mike. I wish I would have been more on that, and I would have sold that 38 for sure. So I'm going to show here. I think hopefully somewhere down here we get a bounce. I'm good, Adam. What's going on? Here is, let me see what I got going on here. I got too many windows open again. Here's kind of my current thinking that we're working on a triangle maybe now with the deepness of this correction, unless we can put ourselves together quickly here. If not, I'm afraid we're doing this triangle that I did mention. That's why I had the 38,000, 38.5 sell point, because we get above this previous high here and catch all the shorts, which is what we did. So with today's weakness, I'm kind of thinking about this triangle, and we can't leave out a WXY, which would be an ABC down, an ABC up into today's high, and a bigger ABC down to 26,000. So that would be a little bit scary. We do have stops in, they are profits, but we've given up a ton of profits. I'd hope to say that we could hold here, maybe go back, visit 35.5, 36,000, and then double check what we want to do there. Because this C wave down of the yellow C should be an ABC affair. Hopefully, maybe we just completed the A down. So again, the C wave down, this would just be the A down of it. Mouse around here the rest of the day, maybe up to 36. And then get another break down to 31, let's say. I could see that possibly happening. Unless this morning's tweet or CME ran us up and then it's also dropped us off here, maybe we'll slowly put ourselves back together and head to new all-time highs. So just not sure here. We got the stock market. What, the Dow was down 700. We're down 470. NASDAQ down 221. I think on stocks, we've had people, I think maybe the hedge funds were selling some positions to cover their losses on their shorts. That led to a little bit of cascading today. Our stock market indices, I mean, I showed this the last few days. They don't really look toppy yet, even though I've mentioned margin debt's high and sentiment is extremely bullish. Maybe we're breaking out of uptrend channels. I'm not really a big channel trader. The technometer is 43.4, so SPY giving me a little bit of concern. Let's see if we can hold today's rally off the lows. Here's DIA, 43 on the technometer. Again, not at buy levels. They were better a few days ago at higher prices, so not the best action here. Same thing, QQQ. We do have the technometer here. Lower right, 38.7. So that's a little bit better action. So QQQ looks like maybe it could try to bounce here. Our Wyckoff Wave Growth Index still in an uptrend. And technometer 38.5. So that's friendly here. Again, that's more or less like a QQQ index, but it takes way more internal volume readings for us. Hopefully a little bit better indicator than the QQQ. And then we got the Wyckoff Wave at 38.8. So that one's still friendly. TLT, I talked about trying to turn lower. I didn't get a short on. It opened in the hole and has rallied back some. That still looks like TLT wants to go lower. GDX, we're short. Reddit gang ran for silver, I guess, which got this up for 2 days. But again, we've had a reversal today. So I am still short here, looking for lower. Rally above today's high probably would concern me a little bit. For the hell of it, we're going to look at GameStop. Hope nobody's going to get beat up over here. This crazy stock. Not much to add. Technometer 55, of course. No help. Tesla. Appreciate it, Mohammed. Tesla breaking down here. Technometer 43.2. That's taking a little bit of risk on out of the equation, which is hurting Bitcoin as well. I think you need Tesla to stay firm to keep Bitcoin okay. Bitcoin 34.3. I was trying to say we were going to bounce somewhere down here for that A wave. Kind of talked about that in Discord, but not really a trade recommendation, just more of a hope that we rally here. If you're a day trader, I would have took the trade. So here's Bitcoin USD daily, again, technometer 43.1. All these technometers are around 43, 44. I'd say the beam, no, we're nowhere near that, I don't believe. I don't believe, no. Technometer 43.5. I guess my logo's covering up the technometer reading. The logo usually falls off after a few minutes. So again, I'm having some issues with YouTube. So if you are having a low stream or something, Levon, that's apologize. Let's go to the 5-minute, 1 month reading, price and volume. I don't think there's going to be much to talk about. As you can see here, as I've been talking about, this is Bitcoin USD volume, not really coming inside very strong. Really back near the lows, so I don't really have much to add. We're long and hoping that they can bounce here. I do have stop levels in lower. We did get good buy points. We had $9,000 gains earlier today. We did screw that up. Here is Bitfinex. Bitfinex came off the bottom. Bring that up so you can see it. I mean, a little bit of volume off the bottom. Not a lot of selling here on this last sell-off from 38.5. So again, we might try to put ourselves back together here. Bitcoin USDT consolidated. Let's check that out. Yeah, we've got less viewers, so I'm thinking YouTube's have a possible problem. So we're going to make this short and sweet then. Bitcoin USDT monthly. Let this load. Not much to add here either. So again, apologize for the stream. I'm not sure what's going on. I think it's more YouTube than me or my internet connection. I don't see any problems here. Stocks down 450. Stock low is in, down there down 700, or we could be in trouble. Bitcoin, let's hope that Musk brought in some people that bought the top and now they're selling out here. Maybe we can put ourselves back together and rally back up. What's up, Chris? And if not, we're going to get stopped out and we're going to have to reevaluate if we're in this big triangle or we're actually headed down to 26,000. So I've gone over a few stocks, Chris. If you got anything you want to look at, we can do that for sure. Stock market, as I don't think we're headed for major selling here. I think hedge funds with the losses on the short GameStop, et cetera, might be selling some positions, which has just kind of spilled into some overall selling that I'm thinking will stop here. This is the S&P. We are breaking the uptrend channel we've been respecting. TIGR, I'm not sure that's in my system. I haven't did that. I can't do TIGR, Chris. I will add it when we're done for next time. my software keeps 5-minute data, so it just it takes a lot of capacity. So I don't have unlimited stocks in my software, only ones that we're trading or subscribers are looking at. Here is Technometer 35.1 on TEL, the most oversold it's been in a while. I would say TEL could be okay here. I'm going to bring up Tiger on my TC 2000 software real quick here. I mean, today could have been a spring, so if you want to buy up here at the top, I'm not buying here. Might not be a too bad idea on TIGR. BTT, if that's a stock, it's not in my software either, so I'll add that one. NIO, we've talked about, look kind of friendly. Still is holding up pretty well. Technometer was friendly over here at the last time we was around the 57 level. I was really going to buy that yesterday above 59, and I have not. NEO, any strength from here I think could be good for a decent rally. TC 2000, I use that for a lot of scans. It's powerful software. GBTC at a negative premium, I would say. I mean, a lot of that is because the stock market's down, was down 700. So people are going to sell whatever they can indiscriminately. But, or I would take that as a bullish scenario that people are panicking out of GBTC and Bitcoin for the next move back up. So I think that's probably bullish, Mike. What do I do if the 26,000 scenario? I mean, my indicators are all hair friendly, so I can't really say that. I mean, I'd hate for 32,000 to give away. I think that would tell you, you know, we could still be in the triangle that I've already mentioned. So I'm not sure. I mean, obviously 29.2 is taken out, then probably 26 is in the cards. Let's go to Ethereum first. Then we'll look at XLM. AMWL. Quick run to 44, back to 33. Not a lot of data on that one, Chris. Again, I'll add it to my software when I'm done today. That one would scare me a little bit more. It looks kind of like an upthrust. Ethereum USD on the monthly 5-minute chart. This thing's still been holding up very well. So I want to be long Ethereum, but I got to respect some stops levels here. So now this chart here from the lows here to 1180, 1197 or so. I mean, that could easily be 5 waves up that ended this morning. We've done an ABC down, perfect place to find support here and work back higher. So Ethereum, I think, still looks good. Bitcoin 34,520. We are bouncing as expected. And at Patreon, Discord, we don't really do much day trading. We give a few ideas here and there, but a little more swing trading. Here's XLM. Quick run to 38 this morning, back to 30. Volume is going to a new low here compared to these previous 2 lows, which I think is probably really friendly. So We've been saying XLM would work higher. I think that's still probably one that can dig in here. Tilray, we would have because CGC, we talked about that. Let me show, we did this on previous broadcasts on Canopy Growth. This was Wyckoff here. We talked about it. I actually did not jump on it. You had a selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, a spring, strength, last point of support. I didn't expect this much strength out of this, how it outperformed the general market, but that is classic Wyckoff. You see lower right, we had the oversold technometer here. So we did discuss this in our Discord, in the stock Discord. Quick from 26 to 40. Volume and everything was correctly. So again, I had that, just didn't jump on it for pro traders. My mistake. And then Tilray. Same thing, not quite as pretty. You can see technometer 49, so again, it gave us decent buys at the lows here at 8, and now came off a major overbought, so I'd be a buyer of this on a little bit of a break, especially if the stock market would come down. I'd be on some of the weed stocks. Dow down 437. 36 minutes to go. AMWL, I've got it over here on my TC2000, Chris. I'll make a note to add it. Then you said PDYPY. Flutter Entertainment. That's been a strong one. See, the RSI is oversold. I wouldn't be afraid of that one here. Stay long or nibble some more. Let's go back to our Bitcoin chart, 5 minute. Let's go to the 3 minute. Finally getting a little reprieve from the selling. We've had a quick 1,200 off the low. Again, I'm thinking that's an A down of a bigger ABC down, or it's just a deep retrace like we had back here at the lows. These were deep retraces. Got everybody to sell the low at 30,500, and then we ignited, get everybody bullish, and then screw them too. So nice trade, Mike, being long that at 8. So again, maybe we can put everything back together here and keep moving then. Because again, general stock market, my stuff really is kind of friendly. QFIN, bring up the 9 month. Again, we showed this. A little bit of Wyckoff on here as well. Let me change these so you can see them better. I talked about a sign of strength, the last point of support, or maybe we could back up a little bit more for a last point of support, but this thing is held in here very well today. So I would take that as bullish. So QFIN might be one that tries to lead us higher. I'm going to watch that one close. It's nice action today. Holding in nicely considering the markets are getting beat up. What up, Heather? Make some dirty cash for more Bitcoin. You can see on QFIN, same thing. Oversold down here at the lows. we are overbought, so it'd be nice to see a little bit of a pullback, but today's action is pretty friendly, so. And we've got less viewers today, so I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but something's happening. Let me check one thing. I don't know what's going on. All right, it's Friday, 2:30. That's all I got. Let me run a disclaimer, then I'm going to come back.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, do your own research. Stocks and cryptos are risky, the usual disclaimers. This is not an individual investment advice. That's all I got for today. I'll come on this weekend probably if we get any wild action that I think we need to discuss. Bitcoin 34,536 on Binance. Just made a 34.8 a second ago. What up, big house? Give you a wrench. Everybody have a good weekend. Let me give a few wrenches here while we're talking. Appreciate everybody. And again, we'll be back if we get any real action. Otherwise, let's hope for a rebound in stocks and Bitcoin. Figure out the next trade. Appreciate it, O'Connix. And I'm out of here.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.
Let's see how they do it.